Greetings, citizens of the world. We are anonymous. We are defenders of the internet. We are yet again on the heels of pedophiles around the world. There are many websites with children being exposed, and it is not right morally, legally, or in respect to human rights. Pedophiles of the internet, this is a warning to you. This is a warning to your supporters and anyone that takes part in your sick world. We will come for you. We will find you. We will shut down your websites and kick you out. You are not welcome here, and we have had enough of you. Leave our children alone, and while you are at it, leave the rest of the planet alone. This is not a threat, this is a promise. We will hunt you down and exterminate you like cockroaches. You are the lowest form of life on this planet, and it is time for you to be extinguished. We are the ones that will do this task. We are anonymous. We are the Great Legion. Everyone, from all walks of life, have joined in this fight. People in every country, in every race and every religion all have the same belief. The belief that our children deserve to be safe. The pedophiles have not gone away, and we must join forces to make it happen. We need to put all of our resources together to get these evil people away from our children. There are many of you that are concerned about the same issue. Now is your time to act. Get involved. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us. We are a legion, and we are coming for you pedophiles.